Hello students, let's continue our chapter French Revolution. Today we are going to cover part 4 and 5 of this chapter. This part 4 is, did women have a revolution? Did women participated in this revolution? Yes, the women participated in the events of this revolution from the beginning, and they wanted to bring important changes in French society. They hoped that their involvement in these events would pressurize this revolutionary government to introduce measures to improve their lives. Most of the women of Third Estate had to work hard. They worked as seamstresses. Seamstresses means they sew clothes. They worked as laundresses. They washed clothes. They sold flowers, fruits, vegetables in market, and some of them were employed as domestic workers in the houses of some prosperous section of Third Estate. Students, most of the women did not have access to education. Only the women who belonged to royal family or prosperous section of French society could get education, but this was just only for the purpose of marriage. The condition of working women was not very good. They had to take care of their families. They had to cook food, they had to fetch water, queue up for bread, and look after their children. And the wages of women were lower than that of men, means there were gender discrimination prevailing in French society. Now, these women started forming their political clubs and publishing their newspapers. There were about 60 women's clubs in cities of France. And the most famous of these clubs was the Society of Revolutionary Republican Women. Their main demand was that they wanted to enjoy the same political rights as men enjoyed. But the Constitution of 1791 disappointed them because it reduced their status as passive citizens. They demanded the right to vote. They wanted to be elected in the assembly, and they also wanted to hold political offices so that they can represent their interests in new government. In the early years, the revolutionary government introduced some laws which improved the lives of women. These laws were like, they created state schools and they made schooling compulsory for all girls. Now, the parents of girls could no longer force them to marriage. Now, marriage became a contract in which a person can enter freely, and their marriages were registered under civil law. Divorce was made legal. Now, some women were trained for jobs. Now they could become as artists and they could also run small businesses. But the women were still facing discrimination. They did not get equal political rights. During the reign of terror, new government issued laws and it ordered to close down the women's club and it banned their political activities. Many well-known or many leading women, they were arrested and many of them were executed. Women's movement for voting rights and equal wages continued through the next 200 years in many countries of the world. And these women got right to vote in France in 1946. So student, this concept of gender discrimination was in all world. Okay, it is not only the problem in India, but it was the problem in all over the world. Now next topic is the abolition of slavery. We will continue it in next video.